What's up, family? Welcome to Ddin'S Xperience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. What's up, family? Before we get started, I do want to give a shout out to Ariel Taylor. She's another YouTuber. She actually donated 2 more turkeys for my turkey cause, experiment cause, which is my triple honey butter glazed turkey. As you guys know, these birds are not cheap, and she actually donated 2 of them. I just want to share this experiment with you, whether this is an epic fail or an epic win. I want to share this with you guys instead of showing you guys the classic way to make turkey. I figured my first turkey will be an experiment, and I have 3 times to show you guys. So thank you for joining me at Ddin'S Xperience, and this is Ddin'S Turkey Experiment Part 1. Let's go. What's up, family? So for my triple honey butter glazed turkey, you're gonna need a turkey, garlic, onion powder, black pepper, raw honey, onion, garlic, green peppers, or any veggies you guys like, and butter. Now you do want to allow 24 hours for every 4 pounds of turkey, okay? And another quick tip, always put your turkey on a tray at the bottom shelf because it will bleed as it thaws out. Okay, you guys? Without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, so we're going to start off by cutting our veggies. Cut my onions. And they can be big, you guys. They're just going to be part of the flavor. I'm using 6 garlic cloves. And I'm going to cut my pepper out. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and make our honey butter glazed. Alright, so I'm going to put a stick and a half of butter. Let that cook down something like this. And then we're going to go ahead and put like a half of the jar or a quarter of the jar of honey in here. Now I've been trying to practice on this glaze, and this is what I like. So stick and a half of butter and a half a jar of honey. Small jar of honey. Alright. Add the rest of it. Don't want it too thick, but want it liquidy enough that when it go on the turkey, it cooks nice. Like I said, it's my first time. This is an experiment. Okay. Yes. Honey butter glaze. Quick facts. When did people start eating turkey? Since Bradford wrote how the colonists had hunted wild turkeys during the autumn of 1621, and since turkey is a uniquely Northern American and scrumptious bird, it gained traction as a Thanksgiving meal of choice for Americans after Lincoln declared Thanksgiving as a national holiday in 1863. Pretty cool. Alright, so we're going to clean our turkey as normal, clean it very thoroughly. Go ahead and take out your innards. If you don't want to throw them away, you can add it to your dressing or you can cook it into your greens. Okay. Clean it real well. Now, we're going to go ahead and put our vegetables in our pan. So like I said, it doesn't matter how big the vegetables are because this is just to help for the flavor. Again, garlic and onion help clean the impurities in your food and help clean the bloodstream. So I love these 2 roots. Alright. Let's put our screen in there. I like using the rack or the screen. Helps give better flow. That way the turkey under the turkey can cook well too. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and fold our wings in. Hate having the wings sticking up. Look like it's saying, help me please. You wanna go ahead and dab the turkey off. All the extra moisture on there, go ahead and get that off. Okay. Now this is our first layer of our honey butter glaze. And go ahead and paint that on there real well. Paint it as if we're just doing it with butter. You just added honey, raw honey. Yes, get that really well. All right, we're going to add in our seasonings, which I'm using rosemary, onion, and garlic powder. Go ahead and season that real well. All right, now we're going to add in our black pepper. Now, if you don't have any butcher's twine, you can use dental floss to tie the legs together. True story, real talk. Okay. Now this will be my second layer of our honey butter glaze. Okay, you guys, now make sure that your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. We are going to cook our turkeys to 3 to 3.5 hours, or to when your turkey is at 175 to 180 degrees. You want to stick a thermometer in the thickest part of the thigh of the turkey. Okay, so we're going to cook this, and let's see what this will look like. Okay, this did not turn out how I wanted. But I can tell you guys what I think I did wrong. I went ahead and off camera, I put in another glaze on there, and as it cooked, I think it burnt the honey. Well, trial and error, you guys. Like I said, this is an experiment. I have fun with it. So let's go ahead and plate this up and see what we're working with. All right. I am the chef, so I gotta taste it. So let's see how the turkey itself came out. Okay, that's still cool. All right, let's go ahead and check the skin. All right, let's see where I messed up at. Nah, I can taste a little bit of the honey, but it's not exactly what I wanted. Like, again, trial and error. That's what experiments are all about. Hey, you guys, well, thanks again for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our first 100 subscribers, Ddins. Until our next food adventure. Peace.